Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can improve the battery life on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we can do is turn off some features that usually tend to use lots of battery. So for instance, if we swipe from the top to the bottom, then over here we have like Wi-Fi, we have Wi-Fi calling, we have mobile data, Bluetooth, and so on and so forth. We can also scroll through these things in order to find more. So essentially, if you do not use some of them at a certain moment, then you want to turn them off. For instance, if you don't use mobile data, then you want to turn it off. If you don't use Bluetooth, then turn it off as well. Disable the Wi-Fi if you are not using the internet at this specific moment. And essentially, you also want to disable, for instance, location. All of these features, of course, tend to drain our battery. Maybe not that much as you might think of, but still, it can definitely save some battery percentage. Another thing that you can do is go to settings, and then in the settings you want to find battery and then go there. Over here we have several options that we can use in order to keep our battery in a healthy state. For instance, of course, we can use the battery saver, which we can set it up over here. We can also set a schedule based on percentage, and you can choose how much percentage we want to, or actually, in other words, when should the battery saver be enabled, when we reach, for instance, 35% or 30%, and so on and so forth. We can also turn off the battery saver when we charge our smartphone, and then when the battery reaches 90%, then it turns off. And we also have adaptive battery, which is also a really good feature that allows you to limit battery for apps that you don't use often. So you should definitely enable this option in order to keep the battery in a healthy state, like I said. And in addition to that, we can also use the option that is called Improve Battery While Inactive. And this option uses AI to learn your behavior and limits background apps when your phone is inactive. So definitely it is worth turning this option on. We can also increase the battery lifespan by enabling the optimized charging option to charge more efficiently and to keep the battery healthy. And in addition to that, if you tend to charge your Motorola Edge 50 Pro a lot, then you might also need to enable the overcharge protection, which limits charging when your device has been plugged in continuously for 3 days. So essentially, you should definitely go through these settings in the battery options and then turn some essential settings on. Now let's go back. And this time we want to go to location. In location, we want to go to location services. And over here, you might want to disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. So if you go to each of these options, then you can turn them off over here. So when they are not needed, then of course you can disable them. Later on, if there is a situation where you need to have these options enabled, then of course you can go back and turn them on. However, when not necessary, you should definitely turn them off in order to improve the battery life. And the last thing that I want to show you is the refresh rate settings. So if we go to display settings, then we can go to display refresh rate. And over here, ideally you want to use the auto smart optimization. Well, ideally you definitely should use 60 Hz, but let's be honest, who wants to actually use your smartphone with 60 Hz when we have 120 available or 144? If you still want to enjoy using your smartphone, you definitely should use the auto option, and this pretty much optimizes the refresh rate, so when it is not needed, it uses 60 Hz instead of 120 or 144. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!